Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. The Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro are expected to launch imminently, but it looks like a Xiaomi 13 Ultra could arrive before long too. And this might be worth holding out for because the latest leaks suggest it could rival the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for photography. According to Digital Chat Station, a leaker with a good track record posting on Chinese site Weibo, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will have 4 cameras on the back, so that's more than most phones and in line with the Galaxy S22 Ultra and what we are expecting from the Galaxy S23 Ultra. One of these cameras will apparently use a large 1-inch sensor like the impressive Xiaomi 12s Ultra, which isn't something Samsung is likely to match. While the sensor size isn't the only consideration in cameras, it can have a huge impact on image quality. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will apparently also sport an anti-shake module according to a machine-translated version of the post, which some sites have interpreted as meaning gimbal stabilization. In short, it sounds like this phone will offer better image stabilization than most handsets. We don't know much else about the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, but it probably won't land until after the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro, because those two have been teased by Xiaomi itself and were expected to land on December 1 before the launch was delayed. As for when they might launch now, Notebook Check claims that the December 7 and December 8 have been leaked as possible dates, although it's not clear where that information came from. There are a few additional details worth mentioning, with Xiaomi having reportedly confirmed that the standard Xiaomi 13 will have a 1080p AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the price Baba claims that the both models will be available with a choice of 8GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB of storage, or 12GB of RAM along with 256GB or 512GB of storage. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.